If you're a caregiver in any way, even if you're supporting the care of a senior citizen, you want to make sure that at any hour of the day, regardless of what you're doing, that their phone call comes to you, that you do not miss it. You want to make sure that that phone rings every time they call. Let me show you how to make this happen. I'm going to show you on an iPhone, and then I'm going to show you on an Android. On an iPhone, you go to your contacts. You got to have that person in your contacts. Let's go pick one of them right here. I'll pick this guy right here. I want to make sure that no matter what, I get this phone call. Hit edit. Then you scroll down to ringtones. And under ringtones, right there it is, emergency bypass. Read what it says. Emergency bypass allows sounds and vibrations from this person, even when the ring switch is set to silent or when a focus is on. You absolutely want to turn that on so 24/7, 365, his calls get to you. And by the way, you may also want to change the tone so that it absolutely shows up differently when he calls, so that you know 24/7, 365, if that person calls you, no matter what you're doing, volume off, ringer off, in do not disturb mode, his calls will get through. Make that change, hit the check mark again, and now that phone call will always happen for that person. Let's go do this on an Android. There's 2 steps you need to do on an Android phone. First of all, you need to make sure that that person is in as a favorite. So let me add a new person. Choose where to save it. Okay. I want to add a phone contact, and let's call it Ray. And next. And his phone number is 336-555-1212 or 4212. Hit save. Now, what I've got to do is I got to make him a favorite. So I click the favorites button. And now, Ray, I have his phone number, and he's a favorite. That's step 1. Make it a favorite. And you can see also, if you look right here, I now have 3 people on my favorites. So the next step is to go to the Do Not Disturb setting. And the way you go to the Do Not Disturb setting is you go to Settings. Under Settings, just search for Do Not Disturb. I mean, this makes it so much easier. Do Not Disturb. And then you can, I can turn on Do Not Disturb there, but also, and look, I like it, except for sleeping time, come down here and say, allow during Do Not Disturb calls and messages. And so where it is, right down here, I'll also allow calls. And I've turned on favorite contacts only. Can break through the Do Not Disturb for phone calls. And I also turned on for messages, favorite contacts only. Click on that, you'll see I can turn all or contacts only or none, but I said favorites only. And one more thing that may be useful. Repeat callers. Allow calls when they receive from the same phone number more than once within a 15-minute period. Might not be a bad idea to turn that on as well, so that, again, you have set up your phone with favorites that can break through the Do Not Disturb feature 24/7, 365, so that that person that you're caring for will always be able to get a hold of you when they need your help. I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping you overcome the risks and fears of technology, and I hope this is helpful for you.